Taking some rhythm, taking some leads, smashing it together in a 12-bar blues shuffle. Nothing sounds better on the acoustic guitar, and that's what we're going to be looking at today. I'm pulling this very popular lesson from my website to share with you all, so I'm really excited for you to see this one. It is a really cool 12-bar blues, and it's got some really nice licks running through it, so I hope you enjoy it. Now I'm going to show you the progression. I'm going to zoom it in, break it down nice and slow for you. It will take a little bit of practice to get, but once you get it down, it's a lot of fun to play. Now, if you're new to the channel and you like this kind of stuff, please make sure you subscribe. I've got tons of stuff on here already, and I upload every week. And if you do enjoy this video, if you're having a good time, then make sure you let me know. Give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it, so thank you very much. Let's not waste any more time, and let's get on with the lesson. Okay guys, so we'll start off with the lick at the very start, alright, which goes like this. Okay, so we have a 0, 1, 2, 0 on the D. Alright, then 2, 1, 0 on the A. So you're walking up on the D, down on the A. 0, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1, 0, 3 on the low E, right? 1 slide to 2, then open E. Okay. And then we've got to walk into a B7, 0, 1, 2, B7. And then I'm going to add my pinky on the high E before I go into the shuffle. And then we've got this shuffle lick that I've already been over before. It's in the you know, the scale run, the blues scale run that we did when we start off with this. Like that, right? So let's just go over it quickly again. But this is why I added some things that are already familiar to you, so it won't be such a challenge to play this, okay? If you've done the work already. So we've got this power chord, right? We've got the A string on 2. Then 3 on the low E. And I kind of bend this down a little bit. A little bluesy nudge, I call it. Okay. Alright, bending this high E up. And I kind of rake that with this. 3 on the B, and then a high E open again. And I'm bending that, I'm giving it a little bluesy nudge. And then I'm sliding from 3 to 2 on the G. Open. 2 on the D. Right, then I'm rolling my finger over and getting the G. Back to the D. And open on the G, right? So slowly. Then 2, 0 on the D, 2 on the A. Open, and then a quick pull off on the 1 on the A. A little bluesy nudge on the 3 and the E. And open. Right, so far, everything we've got there. And then we've got to get right back into our E power chord here. So the next section, we're going to, again, going right into that E power chord, going right into this shuffle. Alright. Okay, 2, 2, 4, 2, 5. 2, 2, 4, 2, sorry, 2, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2. Low, middle finger on the 3rd fret, low E. Bend that down. And again, this is a shuffle that we've done before. 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 5. Again, keeping that 2 on there. Okay, and we're going to do the same kind of lick, right? The same at the start, 3 0 3 0, and then okay, I'm going to slide from 2 on the G, 3 on the B, back to 4 on the G. So it's 2 to 4 on the G, 3 in the B, 4 in the G, slide back to 2, hammer on 1 on the G, right? So again, that's and then I'm going to go into okay, again, this is something that we've done during the course, okay? This was in the chord 12 bar blues progression, right? So after we hammer on at that, so let's just do that lick again. I'm going to then take my middle finger on the D, my 3rd finger on the G, right, and the A7, okay? 2nd position. So we're going for 2 2, 3 4, 5 5, 7 7, 9 7, 11 10. Oh, sorry, 9 8. I'm going to do that again, right? 2 2, 4 3, 5 5, 7 7, 9 8, 11 10, 12 12, and 14 14. Alright? Now the way I'm going to strum it is like this. Right, and give it an extra little huzzah when you get to the 14s, right? Sorry. Okay. So let's just have a little recap of that last lick, right? So we've got okay, then we've got to get back into the shuffle. And then we've got this little lick here. Alright. 0 3. I'm just walking up the blues scale here, right? We've got 0 3, 0 1 2, 0 2, and then I'm sliding from 2 3 back to 2, then open, then into the B7. So also I've got the O on the G there, right? So 0 3, 0 1 2, 0 2, 0 on the G, 2 to 3 back to 2, and open. And again, I'll make sure that I get these tabbed for you in the workbook. All right. Then into B7. So again, that goes. Okay, and then we're going to B7. So the next lick is a little bit of a tricky one. It's taken from Gary Clark Jr. He uses this lick quite a lot, and it's really tasty, right? So it does take a little bit of practice. Took me quite a bit of practice, so just be patient, and you know, it'll pay off. So we've got a B7. And an A7, right? So we get the B7, strum it, and we've got to slide to 8 on the G. And then we've got we've got 7 on the B. And then we've got 9, 8, 7 on the high E. And then we've got to bend the 10 up on the B twice and come back to the 7 on the B. It's a really clever part because what we're doing really is we're mixing, we've got the B chord and we've got the A7 chord, and we're using the pentatonic scales, minor and major, in both of these, and it gives that a really bluesy sound. So we're going into the B chord, then the E chord, and then back into the E7, right? So we get the B7, strum it up, black, and then we get an E7, and we do the exact same thing 2 frets down. Alright. 6, 5, 7, 6, 5, 8, bend up twice, back to 5 in the B. Okay, and then we've got to come into our turnaround. Again, something we've done before. Slide up to 4. Alright, on the G and the E. G, E, G, G, E, G, G, E, G, G, E, G. Then climb into B7. 0, 3, 0, 1, 2. Just climbing up the E scale. Again, we can get that high E string in. And of course, you can just get back into the shuffle again. Or you can finish it off, whatever you like. Alright guys, and that is the final 12 bar blues shuffle. I hope you've enjoyed that one. Keep on practicing, have fun, and take it easy.